Romantic relationships meaning. Romantic relationships are a specific type of interpersonal connection characterized by deep emotional and often physical intimacy, affection, and romantic love between two individuals. These relationships typically involve a strong and unique bond that goes beyond friendship, familial connections, or professional associations. The meaning of romantic relationships can vary from person to person, but some common aspects include emotional intimacy. Romantic relationships are characterized by a profound emotional connection. Individuals in these relationships often share their thoughts, feelings, and vulnerabilities with their partner. Affection, expressions of love and physical affection, such as hugging, kissing, cuddling, and holding hands, are common in romantic relationships. Romantic love. Romantic relationships are built on feelings of love, attraction, and desire. Romantic love can include both passionate love, intense feelings of longing and desire, and companionate love, deep affection and attachment. Commitment. Many romantic relationships involve a level of commitment, which can range from casual dating to long-term partnerships, cohabitation, or marriage. Shared experiences. Couples in romantic relationships often create shared experiences and memories together, such as going on dates, traveling, celebrating special occasions, and facing life's challenges as a team. Support and companionship. Romantic partners provide emotional support, companionship, and a source of comfort during times of stress or adversity. Sexual intimacy. Romantic relationships often involve a physical and sexual component. This can include sexual activity, but it's important to note that not all romantic relationships are sexually active. Mutual growth. Partners in romantic relationships may support each other's personal growth and development, both individually and as a couple. Mutual goals and plans. Couples often make plans for their future together, which can include building a family, living together, or pursuing common interests and dreams. Conflict resolution. Romantic relationships may involve conflicts and disagreements. Learning to resolve differences and communicate effectively is essential for the health and longevity of the relationship. The meaning and significance of romantic relationships vary from person to person. For some, these relationships represent a source of joy, fulfillment, and lifelong partnership. For others, they may be a means of personal growth, learning, and companionship during specific life stages. While romantic relationships can bring immense happiness, they also require work, effective communication, and mutual respect to maintain a healthy and lasting connection.